Work from home business opportunities. Earn from home. Home business opportunities are in great demand today, especially for women and even more so for mothers. I bumped in a good story today about a mother who is earning thousands of dollars per month just by staying at home. She shared how she could not believe her earnings while still having able to stay at home and take care of her child. I was kind of depressed just after I had my first child. I knew I had to stop working because I had to take care of my baby. I became really depressed for about 3 months. I had no income. Life was hard, but when a friend told me to try applying for some online jobs, my life changed. Emma Mer. These are 2 real-life stories of women who have found delight in working at home. There are so many benefits when you have the advantages that home business opportunities can provide. Why women should choose home business opportunities. There are so many women struggling to combine motherhood duties with a career. This struggle ends now. With home job opportunities, more women and mothers will find that they are able to do both duties effectively. 1. No more feelings of guilt. Naturally, women take care of both their husbands and children. When faced with a challenging budget, women are torn between family duties and job tasks. Sometimes there is a guilty feeling of not being able to provide or not being able to take care of their family can arise. With home job opportunities, this struggle will end. While taking care of your family, you can also earn while in the comfort of your own home. 2. What matters most? With work from home business opportunities, you do not have to choose between your career and your family. You can do it all. While you can take care of them at home, you can also earn, and while spending time with them. This is why women mothers should choose home jobs. 3. You will save more. The role of saving and budgeting is always given to women. For the most part, it is always hard to budget, and more so to save when you hardly have enough money to get by. With this reality at hand, you find yourself guilty about not being able to help with the finances at home. With work from home business opportunities, this struggle ends. You will be able to help with your finances while at home. With home business opportunities, budgeting and saving will be easier and more convenient. I am really delighted with the presence of these home business opportunities. My family is more happy and fulfilled. I get to take care of them while earning. No more saggy faces. We are happier. The income that I get is certainly a big add-on to our monthly income. Gracie Jones. These are the reasons why women choose to work from home. They are able to fulfill home duties while having the delight of earning more money. Try it now. There are many home business opportunities for you to look at, so why not start right now?